Mine's gone.
I didn't drink all night.
Alright.
I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you.
Welcome back to the channel.
It's backwards.
We have to do it again. Take two. You gonna say hi first?
Okay. Hi guys. Today we are doing hot cocoa.
Welcome back.
Yes. So we're gonna do. Get your feet down. Stop it. You guys say hi. Hi. You ready for hot cocoa?
Yeah, like my apron.
Yes. It has a dress on
I
it.
know it's still
Ooh,
on.
he's wearing a dress.
Okay, let's have a go.
All right. So what
Welcome back to the channel.
right now, what we are going to do is create a hot cocoa board for the kids. So we're gonna have like all kinds of goodies on here. So when they make their hot cocoa, they can put the toppings in, eat some cookies, marshmallows, all of that, and it's all in one
Candy cane.
board. So with that,
Hey, where's my cookie?
I didn't.
You only got 3.
No, I'll give another one for you. My bad. So yeah, we have everything laid out right here. We're gonna make the board and let you guys watch as we make the board. This is our second board that we have made. Well, the first one I made by myself. This one we're doing together. It's fun, cute for the kids. So let's see. Stay tuned.
watching. Make sure to subscribe.
Click the like button. Yeah.
Hello.
Hit the
What's
notifications
that?
bell so you don't forget and you are reminded when we post again. I hope you enjoyed this hot cocoa board because the kids did.
Oh, you threw a marshmallow at them. Stop it,
Damn, I hit it twice.
Oh, that almost went off the edge.
Nah.
You want this?
Oh,
You want this?
No.
Now we're just wasting marshmallows.
I'm gonna eat them all too.
The only one on the floor is yours.
No, Mommy.
See you next time. Bye.
Not again. No, I really see something this time.
I just want